Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, we have more fun today. Yes, we have a haul from Belk's. Yes, I went on there and went on a little shopping spree. I have been doing that here recently. My birthday was last month, but I literally was swamped and with business, mostly with accounting and taxes, and then I had a Texas state inspection of my kennel, and all that happened in March and April. So I was totally swamped and busy taking care of the puppies. That was number one. And then, of course, trying to get all my accounting work done for the taxes and also preparing for my state inspection. It was just a busy month. That's all I have to say. It was extremely busy. Everything went great. And when I had the state come out, I had talked to them about retiring, that I wanted to retire out of my puppy business, but now, believe me, that's not going to happen overnight, and they knew that. Anyways, it was a busy month, so I didn't get to shop for my birthday. So I'm taking my money and I'm shopping, and we're going to have a few hauls, and this is one of the first ones that I did. Belk had a great sale, and so I bought a few things, and some things they may all be for me, but there might be something in here for you all, so stay tuned. But let me tell you, my first thing I'm going to show you, and I don't know what's in here. I did open it. If you don't know about Belk's, just go to belk.com. They have sales all the time. If you sign up, they will send you their sales that they're having. They also have the surprise $5 off bonus. Like if you buy anything, you can get $5 or $10 off. And they have like a little certificate. You can also earn those certificates as you use your Belk card for rewards, and I do that as well. I don't remember the prices on all of these, so I'll probably have to go back and put it in on the screen, but I can tell you that everything was a good rate, and most everything was under $10. Okay, the first item I have is this beautiful ruby. It's called Ruby Roo is the brand, and look at that. It's got, let me turn it around here. It has a star and a couple of little, I guess mildly pink, little jewel tones in silver, and I really like that. I think I might try it on. And this was probably, I want to say, around $7, and that's going to be perfect for the beach. Yep, we're getting ready to go to Cancun again, so that will be perfect for the beach. Oh, I like that. Very nice. All right. Yeah, very pretty. I don't really need this on anymore, do I? Well, I'll just leave it on for easy sake right now, but it is silver, and it will go with it, but that is just so pretty. I love that. My next item I got is a gold tone, and this was another necklace. It's a layered necklace. And again, it has to be under $10 because normally I would not pay anything over $10. So this is a double chain. Okay, now you can get a better look. Isn't that pretty? It's going to lay as a layer, and it's very shiny. I really like that. Very pretty, and it even has like a jewel tone at the end where you clasp it, and then of course it's got the claw clasp. So very pretty. I think that will be very nice as well. Oh yeah, this is the 2-row frontal. It's a 16-inch, and then this is a short open teardrop is what they call that. I don't know what it is, but I like it, so that's all that matters. And that was in that little package. So let's see what else I got. This here has a t-shirt in it and another necklace. And this necklace was a little bit different. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. It's also a ruby road, and so it kind of goes with the other brand that I just showed you that I have on. This was really a good buy. And you can see it looks like the turquoise, that they change colors a little bit. Like it goes from turquoise into a little red. So that'll be real pretty too, and it's in the silver as well. So I've been buying a little bit more silver than normal, and I like the blues, and when I have it up against here it looks more like a navy blue, but when I look at it front on, it's kind of got an aqua blue turquoise color, not turquoise, maybe a deep jade color. But anyways, very pretty. What do you think? All right. Now this is a t-shirt that I probably got for one of my sons. Yeah, it's called Game Day, and I did get them this. This was around $5 or $5 or $7. And on the front it has Crown and Ivy, and I guess that's talking about whiskey. I'm not sure, but the t-shirt is really soft. Oh, this will be a great t-shirt to sleep in. I may have to rethink who gets this. That was in that package. I did get me a bra on sale, and it was $7, but I don't know if I'm going to show that or not. I'm not real comfortable with that, but I will tell you that it was in a cream pinky color, and we'll see how it works out. I'm not sure. And I also got a couple more shirts. Both of these are for me. Now this here I got because I thought it would be a great cover-up for going to the beach. You know, just for a short little cool cover-up to go over my swimsuit top if we're going to lunch or whatever, and it's got palms at the beach, or if I just want to wear it around the house here. It was really a nice color. It's called Salt Lake Life Salt. It was originally $36, and I promise you I did not pay that much. I want to say at the most I probably paid $9 for this. So it was a really good deal. They have their logo down here, down at the bottom, and it's very soft. It's made in China, of course, and I don't know, we might see this end up on Temu. Wouldn't that be something? But I will tell you, if you do see it, it's very soft and it's going to be very comfortable. I like it when they're loose. And then the next t-shirt I got is for the 4th of July, and I got it in an extra large, and it's got my little blue truck on there with the Happy 4th on there. So I'll be ready for the 4th of July in my nice t-shirt, and this too is very soft. It's a 2X. It's perfectly soft is the brand. It's a Kim Rogers, and it says it was $29.50, and I know I didn't pay that much. I want to say again around $7 or $8 is what I paid, but I'll flash that up there if I can find what I paid for it. But that was very nice. Now, the next item I found was this. Isn't this just adorable? I thought it was so cute. Now, I guess those are little unicorns on there with mask. And, of course, they're using it in the form of mask over your face. But the first thing that popped in my head were masks. Because, you know, we do Mask Mondays. So I thought, I'm going to get me one of these. And I'm going to store mask in here. Since it says mask, I'm going to repurpose it for mask. And guess what? I got 2 of these. So yeah, one of these is going to be for you. One of you will be able to win this lucky mask. I want to say carrier. Now you can put your own mask in there if you still wear a mask. But if you do facial mask, you can store your mask in here. And I think that's just really great. And if you're going on a trip, you could have a variety of hand mask, foot mask, facial mask, all those things right in this mask bag. So I just thought that was cute, just so cute. If you want to enter into the free giveaway for one lucky person for this mask, I guess cosmetic bag, you can use it for anything. I will tell you, it's nice vinyl. It's going to be easy to clean. It's a Miss Green's OMG accessories, made very good. And then as you've seen on the other one, very roomy. And I'm not sure if I'll ship it with the paper in there, but I will ship you this if you are the winner. And the word you need to use is mask. In a sentence, use the word mask, and you will be eligible for this giveaway of my BELK haul. And I think that's everything. I might be waiting on one pair of earrings that I ordered, and maybe I'll toss that in another video at some point in time when it shows up. But I wanted to get these opened so that I could start using them and or give them this to you. One for me, one for you. Use everything that I got here. But anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get it all unwrapped. So this is my BELK's haul. If you're interested in this, you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, BELK's and our Miss Green OMG, and our YouTube are not affiliated with this giveaway. I bought this on my own. I bought this with my own money and sharing one with one of my subscribers. And like I said, you must be publicly subscribed. You must use the code word that was mentioned earlier, and you will be entered into the giveaway. And this giveaway will run for a couple of weeks. I'm not sure when it's going to post, so this will end on June 10th. So be sure and get your secret word in if you want to have this cute little pink, which by the way is my favorite color. I'm going to share it all with you, and of course I'm going to put a few masks in here as well. So you'll get the little mask bag and you'll get some masks, and I forgot to mention that a while ago. Before I go, be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. Be sure and let me know what's your favorite item. I like everything because I got it mostly for my birthday, but I am going to say I really like this necklace, and I like the gold one that I showed y'all earlier. And out of my t-shirts, the one I'm going to probably like the most is this one right here because I'm taking it with me to the beach. So that's all I have for the BELK. You let me know what your favorite item was. And again, don't forget to join in the fun and have an opportunity to win this mask bag along with mask inside. And as for BELK and this haul, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.